I really like taking something kind of from nothing. So when we made those Carolina Reaper pepperoni sticks, it was just a bunch of odds and ends of pork and beef that I found in the walk-in that wasn't enough to do anything with and couldn't be its own entree or something like that. And we made it into, something amazing, the pepperoni sticks. And we sell tons of those. We sold out. We just sold out again of different ones. We made cheddar jalapeno smokies and gone. They're already gone. So just taking something that's kind of like, oh, it's nothing, and disregarding it, and bringing it together and making it something totally different and something that people actually want. COVID gave us a chance where we got to slow down, and I saw we've got bacon, we've got burger patties, we've got all these things that had been stored in the freezer, and normally we would have gone through them already. And so I said, well, let's make our own pancetta, let's make our own bacon, let's make all these things that we usually buy. We can show the students how to do it. It's more cost effective this way, and it's just another thing that we can add to making it in-house and say we didn't buy that, we made that pepperoni ourselves, we made that bacon. That's bourbon maple bacon that we smoked, and did it ourselves. So you get a whole world of experience that you might not get somewhere else, because we're trying to buy as little that's already fabricated or done and do it ourselves and give that experience to the students. Like I said, it's not only cost effective, but it's a good thing for them, because they can say, oh yeah, I made bacon. I had to make 300 pounds of bacon over 3 months, and I know how to make pancetta. These things that you don't normally see, the students are going to go out there and be like, oh yeah, I know how to do that. We used to do that all the time. Why wouldn't you make your own bacon or something like that? When I went to culinary school, we didn't do anything like that. So I think it's just a one-up for our students getting to make these things that normal culinarians, normal other chefs, or students don't get the chance to.